Good morning, children. I am Srishti Singh and I am your social studies teacher. In yesterday's video, I was telling you about the Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. So, most of the things about this age, this time period, I told you in that video. So, today I am going to tell you about the tools that the people living in Middle Stone Age used to hunt and kill animals. The tools that early man living in Middle Stone Age used is called microliths. Okay, microliths are very small stone tools. As you can see in the picture, these tools are called microliths. The properties of microliths are their edges are very sharp. Okay, and they are less than 3 centimeter in size. Their size is less than 3 centimeter. Their front and back points are very sharp to kill the animals. Generally, these microliths are made up of the bone of the animal. It is made up of wood, tusk, or horns of the animals. And with the help of these microliths, these small stone tools, the hunting become very easier for the the early man living in Middle Stone Age. Early humans living in Middle Stone Age also started using bow and arrow for hunting and killing animals. So this is all about Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age and their evolution. Now I'm going to tell you about the New Stone Age. This is the third category of Stone Age. This is called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. The timeline of this age is 8000 to 4000 BCE, that is before Common Era. So, in this Stone Age, the early humans become more modernized. Their thoughts, their beliefs, they started growing up, their evolution started taking place in rapid and more faster speed. The word Neolithic, it comes from the Greek word neos in Greek, it means new. Okay, that is why it is also called Neolithic or the New Stone Age. In this Stone Age, varieties of inventions and discoveries being made by the early humans, and also with the help of these inventions and discoveries, it brought large scale changes in the lives of the human being. Earlier, the early humans were only limited up to hunting, but with the start of this new Stone Age, the early humans became farmers and herders. The more details about the new Stone Age or Neolithic Age is given in your next chapter of history. Okay, so I will tell you in detail about this Stone Age in the next chapter. Now, let's talk about the Chalcolithic Age. As I told you in the introduction of this chapter about the Chalcolithic Age, Chalcolithic is also taken from the Greek word. Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. So if we will merge it, it became Chalcolithic Age or Copper Stone Age. In this age, early humans started using the metal tools also. Okay, they started using stone tools as well as the metal tools, the metal that is copper tools, to hunt the animals. And in Chalcolithic age, the early humans invented plug, wheeled cart and sailboat. And in Chalcolithic age only, the early humans started developing the skills that how to mix the metals with the stone to make some stronger weapons or tools. They started developing the techniques that how they can make some stronger weapons by mixing the stones with the metals and all that. So this is all for this chapter. This chapter is over now. Chapter number 2 in history, it is all completed. I hope you all understood it. And whatever the doubts you are having, I will clear all the doubts in virtual class. So this is all for today.